Hello students, today we will discuss a salt which is very familiar and we used for cleaning agent, that is washing soda. Washing soda we will use to remove the dirt, oil, grease from dirty clothes. What is the chemical formula of washing soda, how it is prepared, and what are the properties and uses we will discuss today. So let's start. Washing soda, its chemical formula is Na2CO3 10H2O, and chemically it is called sodium carbonate decahydrate. Word decahydrate means it contains 10 water molecules of crystallization. When it does not contain 10 water molecule of crystallization, then it is called its anhydrous form. And Na2CO3 only in the form of anhydrous, its name is soda ash. Washing soda is manufactured or prepared commercially by the process that is Solvay process. And this Solvay process is also called ammonia soda process. In this process, there are mainly three steps involved that we will discuss. Before that, what are the raw materials by which we use and to prepare washing soda? That are, we will use brine. Brine solution is 30% of sodium chloride, that is the common salt in water. Second is ammonia gas, and the third material is carbon dioxide gas. And three steps which is involved in this process, that are, first of all, in first step we will pass both carbon dioxide gas and ammonia gas through brine solution, that is sodium chloride solution. When we pass these gases, we get a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. By using the chemical equation, we can represent it NaCl. When it react with ammonia and carbon dioxide in the aqueous solution, that is we use the water, we get sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride, which is NH4Cl. This sodium hydrogen carbonate is slightly soluble in water. This is also a type of salt which is slightly soluble in water. In the second step, on heating strongly this sodium hydrogen carbonate, we get sodium carbonate in the form of anhydrous, means without water molecule of crystallization. This is given here. On heating sodium hydrogen carbonate, we get the sodium carbonate. This is sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. In the first and second step, we get the sodium carbonate. By the reaction of ammonia gas and carbon dioxide gas through brine solution, when we get sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is slightly soluble, not completely soluble in water. So that we will heat that sodium hydrogen carbonate and we get sodium carbonate. This sodium carbonate is in the form of anhydrous state without water molecule of crystallization. This sodium carbonate is now soluble in water. Hence, when it's soluble in water, in the third step, we will concentrate this solution of sodium carbonate. This solution is concentrated and upon cooling, we get the washing soda, that is hydrated sodium carbonate. By the chemical equation, we can represent it. Sodium carbonate, which is in the form of anhydrous, when it is concentrated, means associated with the water molecule, we get the hydrated sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 with 10 water molecule of crystallization, and this is the washing soda. Now it is soluble in water because in the properties of washing soda we will discuss now, it has a cleaning property to remove the dirt and oil, so that it is necessary to dissolve in water. Now we will discuss what are the properties of washing soda. First is given here, washing soda is a white crystalline powder. Second, we have, when we dissolve this washing soda in water, we get a solution, and this solution is basic in nature, means it is alkaline. It turns red litmus blue. Third property of washing soda is, on heating, it loses, when we heat this washing soda, on heating, it loses its water molecule of crystallization and we get only Na2CO3. And this Na2CO3 is called soda ash. Next property we have, washing soda has a cleaning property, as I told you. It is used for cleaning the dirty cloths, to remove the dirt, grease, and oil. Now, what are the uses of this washing soda? We know that it is used as a cleaning agent, but other uses are of also. They are, it is used in the manufacture of soap, glass, paper, and the chemicals like caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, that is baking soda. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and other chemical, that is the borax. Second, it is used as a cleansing agent in the domestic purpose for cleaning the dirty clothes. Washing soda is used for removing the permanent hardness from the water. If the water is hard, then to remove by using the washing soda. Next is, it is used as a useful reagent in the laboratory also. Next is, students, we will discuss the baking soda.